Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Pretty Palette. This is ShreyaGaur and welcome back in another video. And guys, today's video is about my birthday look and I'm gonna give you a tutorial on it, that how I dressed up on my birthday. And hope you enjoy my video, and don't forget to give a thumbs up in the end of the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. This is how my birthday look turned out, and so I used a very nude makeup look on my birthday. So it was a very sober and simple makeup, and you can try it if you like it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and comment below. So let's see some pictures that I clicked on my birthday with this same look I created today, so that you can see the perfect clear look that came out.